Sorry, it's a bit of a mess in here. It's Cass's birthday today, so I'm gonna make a video about Cass's birthday and all those things, and maybe we'll catch up a little bit because it's been a while, guys. How long has it been? Like 3 or 4 months? What have I been doing? Procrastinating and working simultaneously. So because of my line of work on the ship and, you know, just the nature of my job, I'm working pretty much every single night. So it's actually quite difficult to have any kind of birthday celebration in a timely manner. So we got very lucky today. The shows scheduled in the theater that I run the lights in are happening early tonight, which gives us exactly enough time to sneak in a little bit of dinner around 8:30. But the show starts at like 7:45. My last show of the night starts at 7:45. So I'm gonna have to do that show first, run all the lights and stuff, and then we can take Cass to dinner. A friend of mine helped install these LED strip lights up here as part of Cass's birthday, so that's cool. Little name tag action. I'm still a employee, so I gotta wear my name tag. The birthday girl has arrived. Look at that, look at her. Isn't she gorgeous? Beautiful. All right, it's call time. I gotta get to the show and run the show, and then we're gonna go to dinner.
After the performance is over, please remain seated until the host comes out to release you by zone. Also, please ensure that you are wearing your face mask for the entire performance and it is covering both your nose and your mouth. Well, ladies and gentlemen, showtime is coming up shortly. Please go ahead and welcome to the stage, Gold Art Duo!
Everything's so good, I keep forgetting to hit record, but we're on to the main course. We've got this incredible beef here. Cass has got a bag of fish or something. Bag of fish and mushroom. I don't really know. I love Wonderland. This is such a unique culinary experience that I've never seen anywhere else, personally. I love the food here. It's different though. If you ever come on Quantum or any of the ships with Wonderland in Royal Caribbean's fleet, just be prepared with an open mind and an open palate. It's tasty stuff. Go for it.
Here it comes.
How was your dinner, Cass?
It was fantastic.
Was it?
Yes, it was great.
What was your favorite part?
The world, obviously.
Oh yeah, that chocolate thing, that melting chocolate dome. I love that. It's best dessert on the ship, hands down. If you ever get the chance, do it. Don't hesitate, just do it. So it's like, I don't know, a week later, and I haven't finished this video yet. So this is me finishing the video. Oh my God, how was your birthday, Cass?
It was amazing.
Well, good. I'm glad. That was a really tasty dinner. And yeah, I'll see you guys around. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.
Bye.
And yeah, stay frosty. Or, I don't know. Bye, guys.